Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
China International United Petroleum and Chemical Company, better known as UNIPEC, has chartered at least 10 tankers so far this month to transport Russian ESPO crude that's loaded from Kosmino port, according to traders and a shipbroker. Wall Street's benchmark S&P 500 index lost 0.8% after the profit warning by Snapchat's parent company spooked investors into dumping social media stocks. Construction stocks fell after US home sales plunged in April. The pound-euro exchange rate is slipping. A poor forward outlook for the UK economy is continuing to pull the currency pair lower, as well as fears over a potential UK-EU trade war. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the oil rise 0.8% against the dollar. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Eurozone's business climate will be released at 0900 hours GMT. The Irish retail sales at 1000 hours GMT. Germany's import price index at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's industrial production will be released at 2350 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 2330 GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 2330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial market.